Uh, in GSC or Google Search Console, the HTTP version of my homepage is showing as indexed and appears in Google when I click repeat the search with omitted results included. However, HTTP version redirects to the HTTPS version correctly. How do I fix this, and is it a big deal? No, just remove HTTP from Google Search Console. It doesn't matter. If the redirect is set up properly, which it should be, it will automatically always redirect. So just get rid of it. Either just add your domain. I like to use the URL prefix in Search Console, so I will add the HTTPS version because then, especially like with, again, if we look at things like Felling Pro, if I add the domain in, then then I have to look at all pages for all subdomain sites. And so I have separate Search Console instances for each of the subdomain sites. So I use the URL prefix version of it, but just get rid of the HTTP version of it. You don't need to track that. If it's auto redirecting to the HTTPS, which it should, then there's no reason to even track that. All right. Um, no, just again, use the URL prefix option and add the URL with the HTTPS version, and that's all you need. Okay, full stop.